How to use recursion to add a range of numbers. Suppose I have the function add numbers. So I write def add numbers, and then I write the start, the end, and the sum. So I write the sum as s. First I write the recursive call for a function. So I write add numbers, and we'll increment start. So we keep incrementing start. That way we keep incrementing the numbers. So start plus 1, n, and s. The remaining two remain the same. Now for the new value of s, we write s plus is equal to start. So the start value will be kept adding to the s, to the value of s, and that's how we'll get the final sum. But we have to do all this if a condition is met. So if start is equal to n, then we print the sum of the range of numbers is s, else we do the remaining two statements. And initially we'll write the add numbers 1, 10, and 0, where 1 is the start, 10 is the end, and s is 0. So it directly when I run this, it gave me sum of range is 45. Now let's improve this code by taking the input from the user. So we write a is equal to int input, enter a number, enter start of the range, and then we ask the user to enter the end of the range. Write an if condition. If a is equal to b, we print that the start and the end are the same. Else we just call the function a comma b and 0. We give the start of the range, we give it as 5, and I write the end of the range as 45. So it gave me the sum of range as 980. So the sum of all the numbers between the number 5 and 45 is 980. So that's how we have calculated the sum of the numbers within a range using recursion.